How do I get my QuickBooks into TurboTax Business? Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you use QuickBooks Online, there is no need to import your info. You can do your taxes directly inside QuickBooks without signing into TurboTax. If you use QuickBooks Desktop and TurboTax Desktop for Windows, you can import your info from QuickBooks to TurboTax. For this, you want to open QuickBooks. Make sure you have assigned tax lines to your account in QuickBooks. Now, open your QuickBooks data file. Then, open your return in TurboTax. Make sure to sign into your TurboTax account as well. Now, in TurboTax, select File, then Import, then select From Accounting Software. From there, choose QuickBooks, then select Continue. Now, follow the on-screen instructions in order to go through the rest of the import process. After importing, review your data to make sure it is correct. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.